Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text highlight in Premiere Pro. We'll cover the essential steps to make your text pop and guide your audience's eyes. Highlighting text is a fantastic way to emphasize key information, ensuring your message is clear and impactful. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can significantly improve your video's visual communication. Let's dive right into the process and get your text looking professional. To begin, create a new rectangle or shape layer in your graphics panel. Place this new shape layer directly underneath your text layer in the timeline. Next, carefully adjust the shape's width and height to perfectly encompass the words you wish to highlight. You can easily modify its position to align precisely with your text. Finally, select a vibrant fill color that provides excellent contrast against your text, making it truly stand out. Once your basic highlight is in place, it's time to customize its appearance. Experiment with the opacity setting to achieve a more subtle or pronounced effect. You can also add a slight feather to the edges for a softer, less abrupt transition. For a dynamic reveal, animate the highlight's position or scale using keyframes. Consider adding a very slight Gaussian blur to the highlight for a more polished and less harsh visual. These adjustments offer creative control. For the best results, remember to use text highlighting judiciously. Overusing it can diminish its effectiveness. Always prioritize strong color contrast between your text and the highlight for optimal readability, especially for viewers with visual impairments. Consider your video's overall color palette and design to ensure your highlight complements the aesthetic. A well-placed highlight can draw attention to crucial points, enhancing viewer engagement and comprehension without being distracting. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.